This is the version 1.2 512K flashback, and had a few problems. There was a logic problem, so I actually have to, on these PCBs, solder a couple of pins together there. There's also mechanical issues, so in the case, I'll take that apart, you actually have to take the wall away here for the connector. That's just because of the connector that I've used, and also part of the walls here because of the wires coming out of the connector, top and bottom. But unfortunately these components down the side of the PCB here and here, they also foul on this, so it doesn't really fit too well in there. You can cut those bits of plastic away, but that's just a bit of a pain. So anyway, to fix those problems, version 1.3. Version 1.3's got the components moved from the edges to here, the logic problem's fixed, and you just put them together and they work. There's some jumpers that need to be soldered here, and they're just solder blobs, and they go in the case, so it's easier to put it in that way. They go in, and all you have to do is take the wall away and a couple of millimeters of the side there, and they actually fit in the case like that. So there you go, 512K Datapack. So to make them, I've got a 3D printed jig, and I actually put it in this way here. I was going to try with my stencil actually do both sides of two PCBs, but it didn't really work out, so I'll just do one side now. And I've got a stencil which came with the PCB, and I can put those together fairly easily now, at least a lot easier than hand soldering. And also with these packages, PLC packages, the rest of it is easily hand soldered, but it would take quite a lot of time, and it's much easier doing it with a stencil and an oven. So there's a couple, there's 4 jumpers on here, so the size can be changed, down 1 power of 2 and up 2 powers of 2, but you've got to get chips that match, and so far I've only got the 512K versions. I don't know, it might be possible, I suppose, if you leave one chip off to make it a 256K. I haven't really looked at that. It's designed for 2 chips. Might work. Yeah, so I'm going to make quite a few of these, and they'll be floating around.